I am inviting all of you. Every September and every February, may ara kita libre kasalan ng bayan sa simbahan. For the first time, this coming September, Fiesta naton, binyagan sa simbahan libre.
Only you, every day till this world ends. There's no mountain I wouldn't climb, thing that I wouldn't try, nothing that I wouldn't do. I choose you.
So diri nato makita nga ang lokal nga gobyerno kag ang simbahan, no, kanami kung nagaisa para sa komunidad, no. Dira ninyo makita nga by February may ara kita sang libre nga kasal, by September may ara pagid kag gin-announce pagid ni Father ang bunyag libre pagid by September, no. So manami na, no, ginaimbitar naton ang tanan, no. I hope that you will spread the good news sa waay pa nagpabunyag kag nagpakasal. Ang simbahan with the partnership of the local government sa Syudad Santa Lisay and with the cooperation sa bulig man sang Angel Swings Foundation, ginapatigayon ini.
You're perfect in every way. There's only one choice I can make. I choose you over and over again. Only you, every day till this world ends. There's no mountain I wouldn't climb, thing that I wouldn't try.
To seal your love with an eternal bond before God and before me, I assure you of the prayers of the community that God may pour out His blessings on your love and help you to carry out the duties of the married state.
Kita ko gid ang panggaanay sa inyo mga mata, kag ang mga misinyo na ba sobra gid katami, sobra pa sa inyo na wine naging inom kag cake naging kaon. So again, I would like to bless you with God's grace. Much blessings to you and your family. And kung may kabataan ka mo, I hope your kids already will have blessings from the Lord. Kung wala pa, kapay pa daw kabataan ka mo. So thank you